Hi everyone, I'm Julia Evans, and in this video I'm going to share with you my final reflection for Intro to Ecology. In this video I will cover the ecological concepts, processes, and interactions learned throughout this term. I will do this by sharing with you an audio clip and break down various ecological concepts observed, by reflecting on the knowledge I have acquired throughout this course. The audio clip I am analyzing is called Missel Thrush by Cosmo Sheldrake, a multi-instrumentalist musician, composer, and producer from London, England. The album this song is from is called Wake Up Calls and includes the sounds of endangered birds to raise awareness for conservation by illustrating their beauty. I will share with you the audio clip now.
That audio recording included songs from the Missel thrush, a species of bird native to the UK. They are found in woodland, parkland, and garden habitats. They are also considered a K-selected species, meaning that they have a fairly stable population that fluctuates near the carrying capacity of the ecosystem. K-selected species are also observed to only have a few offspring, but invest high amounts of time into parental care. Missel thrush have a lifespan of approximately 3 years and a clutch size of 3 to 5 eggs. They habituate the terrestrial ecosystem, specifically the coniferous forest biome. Some ecological concepts that could be applied to this audio recording are as follows. Behavioral ecology covers the behavioral interactions between individuals in a population. So let's examine the ecological factors that drive behavioral adaptations. So the first thing that we hear in this recording is the song of the Missel thrush. So we could ask ourselves, why are the Missel thrush birds singing? In Cosmo Sheldrake's audio file, we can hear multiple Missel thrush birds singing in response to each other. Birds communicate through songs and vocalizations for a number of reasons. Two possible reasons being to attract a mate or to defend their territory. What specific reasons these birds are singing is unknown. However, it is known that they are singing as a result of evolutionary adaptations. Every species has a niche. An ecological niche is a specific environment necessary for a species to thrive and involves what role they play within their habitat. There is often competition over occupying a specific niche. So, for example, as I mentioned, the Missel thrush could have been singing to defend their territory in that audio file. This would have been 2 or more birds competing over inhabiting a specific environment that they both need to thrive, a specific niche. However, an increase in competition over a niche will unfortunately result in an increase in extinction. Speciation is the evolutionary process by which populations evolve to become distinct, separate species. Heteropatric speciation is a type of ecological speciation where adaptations to different environments causes reproductive isolation to increase between populations, thus resulting in separate species. Heteropatric speciation has occurred in missel thrushes, as can be observed by their 172 different types of thrushes that can be found worldwide. Missel thrushes are idioparous, thus meaning that they can reproduce repeatedly. Despite this, there is only 170,000 territories in 2009 of missel thrushes in the UK, and there has been an observed rapid decline in population since. Due to the declining population of missel thrushes, they have been listed as a species of least concern in the UK, with a population decreasing. Despite this, little to no conservation efforts have been made to increase the population of missel thrushes, or at least stop the decline in their population. Understanding the viewpoint of Indigenous peoples on issues involving ecology and conservation is crucial. They have been here for thousands of years and have a wealth of knowledge on conservation. Especially at Dalhousie, it is important as we are on Mi'kmaq land. Mi'kmaq elder Albert Marshall brought the term two-eyed seeing, or Etwapmumk, into Integrative Science Co-Learning Journey in 2004. Two-eyed seeing is the concept of seeing the world from not only our own Western Eurocentric perspective, but also from the perspectives of Indigenous ways. This way of thinking encourages looking at the world in a new, more environmentally focused way. This is an important guiding principle to adopt, as it is a more balanced approach. This way of thinking, when applied while listening to the missel thrush song, drives the message of the song home, and pushes the listener to acknowledge the importance of missel thrush conservation. Missel thrushes should have a protected conservation area to aid in the recovery of their population. Thank you so much for listening. I would also like to thank Allison Obe, our lab instructor, and Courtney Baumgartner and Allison Hicks, our TA, for their time teaching us. Thank you so much.